I ain't gonna stop. I see the. I ain't gonna stop. I mean, we the best music. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of another one. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of.
Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god, it's been a while. I've been so caught up with school and life, but I'm back again. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you could see my recent videos when I upload it. And so for this video, I will be doing a crochet. I know it's been a while since I've done crochet, and so I just wanted to do something different. As you can see, I'm going to be installing this honey blonde free twist braid, and honestly, it turned out pretty good. So continue watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Real shit to come out the stew. Calendar is valid, every word is true. What these niggas gonna do without us? I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of the Maybach.
So you always want to start at the back first so you could get an idea of what you're working with. Oh, and guys, what I also like about this free tress braid is that highlight that you just saw. It's lighter from the honey blonde, and it just makes the hair stand out a little bit more, and I like that. Guys, So guys, I've uploaded previous videos on how to crochet, as I will be speeding through this video. If you don't know how to crochet, you could go back and look at my past videos and it will give you an insight on how to do a crochet video. Now, as I reached to the top, what I started doing was trimming so that I could get the look that I desire. It was a little too full for me, so as I go along, I was trimming the hair to my liking. Now that I'm at the top, I will be doing a invisible part, and this is because you want to rock it as a side part or as in the middle. So I decided to do an invisible part where it would make it a little more natural. Now I'm going to slow the video down so you could get a closer look on how to achieve an invisible part. It's springtime, guys, and you want to come out looking a little bit more popping, you know what I mean? So this was a nice look for me to go ahead and just come out like So there you have it, guys. I just kept, after I was done installing the crochet braid, I just kept trimming it down, and I also cut out a little bit from the sides just because it was too full for me, for my liking. So I just kept, most of this video is all about, like, it took me like an hour to cut and trim to my liking. After I was done, this was my final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
They're trying to party with the queen, they gon' have to sign a non-disclosure. I took the top of the Maybach. 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 Hey, I took the top off of my Maybach, bitch. I took the